I'm with Bubbles and her friend Ellie. After the intro, we're going to take you on a journey through an abandoned monastery, through some small towns, and get to an incredible waterfall. Let's go. For this trip, our home base is actually in a town called Santiago de Compostela in Spain. It's in the northwest region called Galicia. From there, we're going to travel about 30 kilometers southeast to a little town called Silleda. By the way, if you ever find yourself in Silleda, I highly recommend a restaurant called La Cocina de Tina. This was just my dinner. The girls had something else. And by the way, the meat was also all you can eat. And if you leave a good review, they'll even give you a cutting board. Not kidding. So from there, we're going to travel north to the monastery. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name, but the monastery is an old abandoned building. They're actually trying to restore it. From there, we're going to hike all the way around through a couple small towns to get to the big waterfall. It's a zone of darkness. So one thing I should probably take note of is Bubbles is a soccer player in the prime of her life, and Ellie is an elite cross-country runner. And I am not.
Trichoptero. And it's Donovan. I don't want to see one of those. What about Donovan?
Ellie, you know, if that thing saw a picture of humans, it would say, I don't want to see one of those either.
Good. You can mutually not see each other.
It's one approach. In case we get lost, we can always look for that thing. And we'll know where to go.
Fly on the bird.
Yeah, we'll know where to go because we see the bird.
Yeah.
I don't like the last word on the second line there. Basically, that's saying Morte. Morte? Oh boy. Oh, good luck. These do not look like friendly plants. Eesh. So this trail is either 4 miles, 3 miles, or 8 miles. Can't really tell. If it's like this, I think we can make it. It's a perfect day. Started from. Basically across the ravine. We're still going up. Friendly plants. Don't know what these things are. They're like just seeds or something. I'm gonna pretend like I didn't see it. Purple flowers. So All Trail says that this is a moderate hike. Very few people. And so far we've seen 0 people. I'm pointing a camera right at somebody's house. I think that's fine though. That's a beautiful house right there. They're friendly fences.
No, this is exactly what it was like on the camp before.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Like a road like this, and then your feet were like, you can't get rid of the concrete clean.
I can believe that.
And by the end, you couldn't feel your feet. And then you were sad.
So we're doing the right thing and doing this again. Okay. We're going downhill. We turn left, Ellie. And they're buzzing. This is fun. Do I want to run? Not really. But you guys can run. I always like the sound of popping electric lines. It's like a piece of nature that you don't get very often.
journey's taking us through a few different small towns. Look, you can see a chapel in there. Old chapel. This is nice. Really, really nice. Now we gotta go up because we saw where the waterfall was. And that's a wee bit away and way uphill. But it looks like it's gonna be worth it. Big time worth it. Dead bubbles.
god.
So bad.
It's a friendly plant.
You tapped me.
Still going up. Straight uphill's finally subsided a little bit. Still going uphill, but not nearly as bad. Just got to get to the top of the waterfall. Girls are way ahead of me now. That's fine, they can wait for me. I have the money. What a great view.
We made it back to the trailhead. 5 miles. Now we just need to get a taxi.
Well, we made it back to town at the bus station. It's a heck of a hike. It's a lot of fun. We are really thirsty. So we're gonna get ourselves a nice little drink. Maybe a cerveza. Who knows? We'll see. Till the next one. Make it a great one. It's your choice.